Yes, I added a new big hunk of metal to my cast iron cooking setup. Now, it's not made of cast iron, but it is very substantial steel. And what that is the Malory Firewall. It goes in my cooking setup with my Malory M1 cast iron grate. Both of those together are a lot of weight, which is the main reason I bought this four-wheeled Weber Performer. But let me move the cast iron grate out of here so we can look at the firewall. If you're wondering what this might be, if you've ever seen a slow and sear, which creates zone cooking, this is very similar. And I love my slow and sear. It lives in my S&S Grills kettle. It's fantastic for long cooks. This is a little bit different. This actually is adjustable. You can take this piece out and move it to 7 different locations. So you can have a smaller indirect zone and a larger direct zone, or vice versa. One of the other reasons I purchased this is the same reason that I really love the cast iron grate is they are big hunks of metal. They are heat sinks. They hold on to heat. In my experience, they really help retain heat in the kettle, especially if you have to take the lid off a lot like I do when I'm filming. This is just going to be a nice addition for that. I really do like the ability also just to create a larger direct zone or a much smaller one, depending on what I'm cooking. The divider is 1/2 inch steel. The bottom, I believe, is 1/4 or 3/16. I'm not sure, you'd have to look it up. I believe I paid $99 for this when I bought it. It's not at all complicated, but if it's anywhere near as useful as the cast iron grate, which I've been using for I think 2 years now, it's gonna be fantastic. All I need to do now, get a fire going in here and burn off any of those manufacturing greases that are still hanging on. We'll let that burn for a couple hours and then this firewall will be ready to use.